Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm opening 8 of these new Lego minifigures, and I already know what's inside because I'm using an app called omgbricks, and you scan it and it tells you, you hit start scanning, and it tells you what's inside. So that one is the wolf guy. So let's start opening these, and I've used this in the past and it was always really accurate. So let's open them and build them, and yeah, you can download that app. And it tells you, so you don't have to waste money and there's no more filling bags. So there's the wolf, how cute. I'm gonna build it and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here's the first minifigure. I love the wolf. Very much reminds me of like Game of Thrones. And he does have 2 different faces. Let me take the headpiece off so you can see it better. Because that one kind of has like a slash across his eye. And then he's got the oof face. So cute. Alright. I'll just scan a couple of these so you can get the idea of how it works. So this one is supposed to be the Jetpack Racer. And it is in fact the Jetpack Racer. Here's the Jetpack guy. He also has 2 faces, so I'll show you that in just a moment. But lots of detailing on his outfit there, his little jetpack. So we have this one, it's kind of a smirk. I like that one. And then the other face where he's more covered up. Kind of looks like the Ninjago people. But let's scan the next one. This one I look forward to. It's the hamster. And I love when the characters are in costumes like that. Those are like my favorite to collect. So yeah, there he is, the hamster. So cute. I love this one. It's so cute. He's got the short kid legs holding, I guess that's supposed to be a cucumber. Which I like that they did that, because when I think of hamster, I think of like seeds or maybe like a carrot. So that's something different that isn't so overused. Little tail on the back. And this one does have 2 faces. So we have super happy and I don't know what you call that one. Maybe a little concerned. That's super cute. Let's see what the next box is. I wanted the cat lady and that monster guy that's holding a book. There's some really good ones in this set. And this is the steampunk guy. I love this steampunk guy. There's so many details. And it does show you how to build this piece on the back of the instructions. And he just has the 1 face. Alright, so we have 4 more. Let's see which one's in here. Oh, this is the little girl. My daughter wanted this one. And there's some unique pieces that I'll show you here in just a minute. This minifigure is very cute. I don't know if those are supposed to be like squishmallows just because how they're shaped. But those are some unique pieces. She also has 2 faces, but what's cool, I like that that's printed on there, like her little hoodie is an animal as well. And that's the other face. I love the hairpiece too, that's awesome. Okay, 3 more. Is this my favorite one? No, it's a skateboarder. We'll put him together next. Here's the female skateboarder. The longboard's pretty unique. You do snap the wheels in, which is really easy. I like the flat book bag and the hairpiece. There's some cute, unique pieces with this one, and she has a bandage on her face. And one on the back as well. Okay, so we have the cat lady and the monster left to open. Let's see which one this is. I think the monster is going to be my favorite from the set. This is the cat lady. I love this one. I love the cat and the ball of yarn. The ball of yarn might be a new piece. But the sweater has little cat ears all over it on the pants. Oh my gosh, so cute. And there are 2 faces with this one as well. Super happy and excited. And then just got beat up by the cat face. Adorable. So this one must be my favorite then. It's the monster with the storybook. Oh, how cute. Can't wait to see this one put together. Alright, this one's pretty amazing. I love the face. These go in to the side, so that way you can move them if you want to change the direction. But my favorite thing is the book. I love Lego books. I think they're so cute. It says Boo on the front, and it does open. And the brick inside has a monster, and then the squibbly lines. Adorable. You'll have to leave me a comment and let me know which one's your favorite. I'll show you the checklist real quick. I used to collect the entire series, but we don't do that anymore. We just go for our favorites. So we got the first 3. Did not get the telescope person. Got all of them except for the pterodactyl. And then down here, he is pretty cool. Maybe I should have got him. And yeah, the parrot. But those are all 12. Like I said, that app is called omgbricks. If you want to download it to your phone, take it with you to the store, and then you can save a bunch of money by not just randomly guessing what's inside. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.